Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of 2 minus square root of 2 minus x is equals to x. To find the values of x, which is x is element of natural numbers. In the first step, in here to find the value of x, this side is positive, right? This side we have a square root and this side is positive, so this side should be a positive, and from here x should be equals or greater than 0. So this is our condition. So in the first step, we start by squaring both sides of this equation. So it will be square root of 2 minus square root of 2 minus x to power of 2 is equals to x to power of 2. And it will be in here, this will cancel this square root, and we have 2 minus square root of 2 minus x is equals to x squared. And in next step, we take this x squared to this side and this square root of 2 minus x to this side. So it will be 2 minus this to this side, x squared, is equals to negative square root of 2 minus x to this side. It will be positive square root of 2 minus x. And here we square both sides of the equation, this to power of 2 and this to power of 2, and it will be 2 minus x squared to power of 2, it will be 4, 2 to power of 2 is 4, minus 2 times 2 times x squared, it will be 4x squared, and plus x squared to power of 2, it will be x to power of 4 is equals to, and here this 2 will cancel this square root, and it will be 2 minus x. And in next step, we take this 2 part to this side, and it will be, in here we have x to power of 4 minus 4x squared, and negative x to this side, it will be positive x, and here we have 4 and 2 to this side, it will be negative 2, so 4 minus 2, it will be positive 2, right, is equals to 0. And in next step, we take these 2 parts together and these 2 parts together. So from these 2 parts, we factor x squared, and it will be x to power of 4 divided by x squared, it will be x to power of 2, and minus 4x squared divided by x squared, it will be 4, and plus x plus 2 is equals to 0. And in here, this is in the form of difference of 2 squared, right? 4 is 2 to power of 2, so we can write this as x squared times x minus 2 times x plus 2, and plus this x plus 2 is equals to 0. In here, x plus 2 is common, so you factor x plus 2, and it will be, in here we have x minus 2 times x squared, right? And it will be x squared times x is x to power of 3, and x squared times negative 2, it will be negative 2x squared, and from here this divided by this, it will be 1 is equals to 0. So this times this is equals to 0, so x plus 2, this is equals to 0, or x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1 is equals to 0. From here, x is equals to negative 2, right? This to this side will be negative 2. But from our condition in here, x should be greater than 0. So in here, negative 2 is less than 0, so we reject this answer. And in here, we have x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1. So we can write this as x cubed minus 2x squared. We can write this as negative x squared minus x squared, right? And plus 1 is equals to 0. And in here, we take these 2 parts together and these 2 parts together. From these 2 parts, we factor x squared. It will be, this divided by x squared is x, and this divided by x squared, it will be negative 1. And from these 2 parts, we factor negative 1. It will be negative, this divided by negative 1, it will be x squared, and this divided by negative 1, it will be negative 1 is equals to 0. And in here it will be x squared times x minus 1, and the minus, in here we can write 1 as 1 to power of 2, right? So it will be difference of 2 squared, and we can write this as x minus 1 times x plus 1 is equals to 0. In here x minus 1 is common, so you factor x minus 1. In here we have x squared, and in here we have negative x plus 1, right? It will be negative x minus 1 is equals to 0. And here, this times this is 0, so we have two solutions for x. X minus 1 is equals to 0, and from here, x is equals to 1, right? And in here, x squared minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. And to find the values of x in here, we have quadratic equation and we use quadratic formula, which is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is negative 1, and c is constant is negative 1. And it will be x is equals to negative b. Negative 1 is positive 1 plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 1 squared is 1 minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1 and c is negative 1 over 2a. 2a is 2, right? And x is equals to 1 plus or minus square root of, in here, negative 4 times 1 times negative 1, it will be positive 4, and 1 plus 4, it will be 5 over 2. So, in here we have two answers for x, but our condition in here is x should be element of natural number. So, in here, this is not a natural number, so we reject this answer. So, our final answer is x is equals to 1, and we check if our answer is correct. So in here, our problem was right in here, square root of 2 minus square root of 2 minus x is equals to x. For x is equals to 1, we check this. In here it will be square root of 2 minus square root of 2 minus x, x is 1. So 1 is equals to x, x is 1. And it will be in here square root of 2 minus square root of 2 minus 1 is 1 is equals to 1. And from here it will be square root of 1 is 1, so it will be square root of 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, and it will be square root of 1 is 1, and this is equals to 1 is equals to 1, and this is correct. So x is equals to 1 is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.